No, 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 no. You all are getting this wrong. You are getting this wrong. Brother Silvanus left funds for me in Oceans Bank and Ultimate Bank. And I am the next of kin. He named me next of kin. I am entitled to those funds. There's nothing anybody wants to tell me. No, there's nothing anybody will tell me. I am the next of kin. Therefore, Ultimate Bank and Oceans Bank must release those funds. What nonsense.
Brother Roma, just calm down, please. I know this thing is annoying, but just calm down. Go and meet Barrister first. Let Barrister tell us how this thing works. Brother Siva is already dead. There's nothing we can do about it now. We just need to know how these things work. Please, just calm down. Take it easy. Bikonu, take it easy.
Mr. Romanus, you actually got it all wrong. Being a next of kin does not automatically grant you right to access the funds in the account of a deceased person that named you next of kin. You know, some people think that when they name their husbands or wives or children as the next of kin, it automatically saves them from legal battles related to property that may arise in the event of their demise. It doesn't work that way. If you want your property or the money in your bank account or any of your assets to be given to your wives, your husbands, your children, your dependents in the event of your demise, then you must write a will. If you do not write a will, your property will be subject to the estate law of the state where you reside. That's your property will be shared according to the law of the state where you reside upon the grant of the letters of administration. So if you want your property to be shared according to the way you want it to be shared, then you should write a will. Being a next of kin does not give you rights or automatic rights to funds in the account of a deceased person. And Mr. Romanus, in this case, is your brother. So you cannot gain access to the funds in your brother's account just because you are the next of kin. A letter of administration is a document that allows a third party to administer the estate of a deceased person. And also, if one doesn't write a will, the property of that person may be subject to Islamic law or customary law. So writing a will is also very important. So Mr. Romanus, when your wife advises you to write a will, she's not trying to kill you. She's only trying to protect the dependents you will leave behind in the event of your demise. We will all live here one day to meet our maker, but the prayer is that we fulfill destiny and live to a ripe old age. So Mr. Romanus, a next of kin is your nearest relation, someone that can be called upon in case of any eventuality. It is not necessarily intended that is a person that would be a direct beneficiary to the estate of a deceased person. A next of kin is the first contact point if anything happens to you. He or she provides the necessary information about you where needed. So if someone needs to transfer funds or properties or assets or anything to their family members or dependents in the event of their death, they should do it through a will or a trust. Thank you so much for listening.